Are you in dire need of a reliable replacement motor for your Amana, Speed Queen, or Alliance laundry washing machine? Look no further. Introducing the Amana washing machine motor 38034cm, a powerhouse designed to breathe new life into your laundry routine. Let's delve into what makes this motor stand out. Firstly, compatibility is key. The 38034cm is meticulously crafted to seamlessly fit specific Amana, Speed Queen, and Alliance laundry models, ensuring a hassle-free installation process. Say goodbye to compatibility woes and hello to effortless maintenance. Now, let's talk about performance. Equipped with a robust pulley and a start capacitor ranging from 233 to 288 mfd x 110 vac, this motor packs a punch. Whether you're tackling heavy-duty loads or everyday laundry, the 38034cm delivers consistent and reliable performance, cycle after cycle. But what about durability? Rest assured, this motor is built to last. With replacement part numbers including 38034, 38034P, 1796753, 35145, 35145P, 37623, AP2407223, and PS121920010, you can trust in its quality and longevity. Say hello to peace of mind and bid farewell to frequent replacements. In terms of installation, simplicity reigns supreme. With everything you need included, from the pulley to the start capacitor, you can tackle the replacement process with confidence, saving both time and money on professional installation fees. So, why choose the Amana washing machine motor 38034cm? It's simple. With its impeccable compatibility, unrivaled performance, and long-lasting durability, this motor is a game-changer for your laundry setup. Upgrade your washing machine today and experience the difference firsthand. Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.